sold out. Now just look at me, all my goals with nothing left. Hollow, emptied out. What got lost can't be found. You stole every bit of me. Now I can't.
In the last video, I began the process of making over my kitchen. And when I tell y'all, I got myself into something that I feel like I can't handle. I started off removing the kitchen cabinets, and then I used a stripper to strip the cabinets. And y'all, that was a big mistake, because I started this makeover in between my days off, and my house is a mess. I mean a mess. But I'm going to get through this, y'all. I'm telling y'all, I'm going to get through it. I don't know how long it's going to take me to get this done, but believe me, I'm going to get it done. This is why I said I made a mistake and I bit off more than I could chew. This was a lot of work for me. I stripped the cabinet doors down, and it's very difficult for me to get all the paint off of the corners and in the crevices. Sometimes I get frustrated because I want to speed this up, but I know that if I want this to come out right, I have to take my time, and I can't rush it. No matter how long it takes, I will get it done one step at a time. So right now, I'm sanding down the cabinets a little bit more. I don't think I'm going to be able to get these corners using this sander. I'm going to have to put some more of the citrus strip on to help dissolve the rest of the paint.
You think nobody's ever thought of the things you think about when you're alone and it feels. You think you're crazy, but everybody's the same. Afraid you're different, scared you can't handle reality. You can't understand it, trying to manage, repair the damage. A couple steps but in slow motion, couple distant in oceans like that. Thought that it would heal you, but it's poison. I thought I lost it.
Now that I've sanded the frame, I'm cleaning the frame with some warm water and Dawn to remove all the dust and debris.
Thought I lost it. You don't know how much longer you could walk around and wonder why it gotta be you. Tell me that it ain't true. What's happening to me? Can't nobody see you. A couple steps but in slow motion, couple distant in oceans like that. Thought that it would heal you, but it's poison. I thought I lost it. I thought I lost it. I can't lie, can't lie, can't lie, can't lie. I thought I lost it. Can't lie, thought I in time might lose my mind, my mind. I should've known.